In this video, I will show you how to create a dialer, also known as a power dialer in GoHighLevel. So to do this, first just go to the GoHighLevel sub-account that you want to create it for. If you don't have a GoHighLevel account yet, you can sign up through the link down in the description to claim an extended 30-day free trial instead of the usual 14-day free trial. Now, after creating your account and heading into the sub-account, what you then want to do is click settings in the bottom left, and in this left menu just scroll to the bottom until you see tags right here and go and click on tags. Now here click on add new tag, or in the top right click new tag, then just give it a name. Now this doesn't really matter, for example I'll just name it call, and then click create. So now that you have created the tag, you can now click go back, and now here head into the automation section. And then from your workflows, just click create workflow and select start from scratch. So now you need to set up the actual workflow. So to do this, first add a new trigger. So go and click on add new trigger. And then in the right, what you want to go and do is contact tag. And then for the contact tag, you want to click add filters. And then for the filter, you need to select tag edit. And then for the tag, just select the one that you just created. So make sure it's set like this. Now the name may be different for you, and then click save trigger. Then here you need to add an action, so click plus right there. And now what you want to go and search for is manual action to call. So select this one, manual action to call. So now when somebody's added with that tag, so a contact gets that tag, then GoHighLevel will go ahead and notify you that you need to call them. So now click save action, and now you have set up the manual call. Now in the top right, go ahead and click on save, and then there's one more step. So just click back to workflows, and now here head into your contacts. And from within your contacts, you should see a list of them right here. Now this is an example sub-account, so I don't have any right here. But from here, just go and select all the contacts that you want to add to the tag, so that you want to add to your dialer basically, and then click on this icon, so add to automation, and then go and click on this icon that says please select contacts to add tags. So first you just need to select them, and once you click add tags, then just select the tag name that you just created, and then they will go through that workflow, and you will then one after another get a manual action, so a notification that you need to call them. And if you have also collected the phone numbers, then you will also see the phone numbers. So that's how you can create a dialer in GoHighLevel. Now one other way that you can do this is by importing contacts and then adding those contacts with the tag. Now again, if you would like to claim an extended 30-day free trial to GoHighLevel, you can go and sign up through my link down in the description. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.